Hey guys, so since today is on a Saturday, it's a weekend, because these times of quarantine, today I've decided to come to Lake Elementaita, a very beautiful place by the way, called Inca Gardens, to have a weekend camp. So I'm camping here for at least 2 nights to experience the serenity of this place. But it's a very quiet place, just next to the lake. So during the weekend, I've decided, why don't I come? By the way, niko alone. Niko peke yangu. So I've decided, why don't I come to this amazing place, chill, refocus, kuna kitu tunaita ajili ingine, meditate. Yes, exactly. So I want to come here, chill, in a very serene place and meditate. For the next 2 days to refocus on my life. Missy motivational speaker. Anyway guys, so you guys follow me, see what will happen during this weekend camp at Inca Gardens. So nimeset my camping tent. But the camping is actually expensive. It's below 5,000. You want something like this. So nimeset. I'll be sleeping here. Yes, so to pick a story. Hey, so this will be my home for tonight. It's a very nice place with a beautiful sunset. Karibu anytime, any day you want to camp and experience the wild.